Okay, US dollar, Canadian dollar now. It was an interesting week here. We've taken out the lower back support level here. We came very close on the Wednesday, just failed to remove it, the 272, but we've definitely taken this level out now. Made a bottom yesterday, Friday. So basically looking for a bit of an up move here, followed by a longer term sort of down move. So I mean, at the moment we're on the fifth bar of a buy setup, so would be quite good to come down and test this 248 level now, and maybe even make a buy setup and look to go up to. I'd like it to get up to this 440 level, obviously, because the sell setup. I mean, currently this is the 380 level is actually the current level where we'd look to sell, because it was a nice big bullish thrust bar and it was removed to the close cleanly. So really a retest of that level is what we should really be looking for here. On the weekly chart there's really nothing up above unless you're looking at the 571 level, which is quite far up there. It's like 50% retracement of the move. We don't really have much else up there. So yeah, basically looking to go short, but I'd like to see a bit of a bounce first. So if we can get a bit of a bounce and test this 440 level, I mean I've marked out the 380 level, but I've sort of made it smaller font because I see it as kind of just like a minor support resistance level, sorry, which if it's tested, if in fact the ideal scenario here would be if we could move a little bit lower here, close below the 248 level, and let's just see if we so let's say we come down lower, we close below the 248 level, and then it'll be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday we'll complete the buy setup. And so if we do sort of peak lower, let's just say, just for example, we peak down to like this kind of area here, which is the 1.0 200 level. Say we try and peak out there, bottom out there, that takes the sell setup level, stretches it down a little to around this 380 level. Then at that point, the 380 level would look ideal to short. So yeah, I'd be looking for something like that at the moment. But currently this 380 level, we could maybe spike through it and touch the sell setup and then fail below it. So I guess I should probably still be looking out around this 380 level to be going short. Yes, I think I will actually do that. Just kind of thinking about it there. Although I'd like to see the kind of scenario I just sort of made up, but we could quite easily just spike through this 380 level by let's see if I just load this template back. It should put the Fibonacci back where it was. Yeah, so we could spike through this level. Let's see, it's like 35 pips or so past this 380 level, so yeah, we could easily spike through and still fail there. So what I'll do is anywhere inside this 380 to 440 level, I'll be watching carefully for any sort of signs of exhaustion there and look to sell. But as I say, the ideal kind of scenario is that we remove this TDST support level to the close first, and then we get a bit of a bounce to sell. So yeah, in terms of going long, we still do have this 248 TDST support level. So again, we should really be anticipating a bounce. Last time we tested a TDST support level, we had a nice bounce from there. I got involved in that trade as well. So again, the 248 level, we should really be watching that this week for a bounce. So So until this level is removed to the close this week, I will be watching this level to go long. And the other side of this is the fact that we still have these weekly support levels which are right around this TDST support. It's also a double monthly level as well. So you can see here the weekly levels are formed from these two candles. We've got a double monthly level here. So this 240 area is really important to the USCAD. So yeah, I'd be quite happy to look for a bounce for them this level. So I think we will monitor it and take any buy signals anywhere sort of around that level. I mean, I wouldn't like to see price go, sort of 40-50 pips below it on the intraday basis. I think at that point we would struggle to close above it. So yeah, I'd have to watch that. Then once it is removed to the close, then that would take away the chance of trading the bounce. But I will watch the bounce initially. So yeah, it's kind of hanging right on a knife edge, this one at the moment. If we remove these levels to the close on a weekly basis, then there's a big bear trend going to start up here again. So yeah, so plenty of opportunities here. We'll look to buy a bounce at the 248 or sell somewhere between the 380 and the 440. Additionally, any bullish thrusts that are made, I'll be looking out for their lows and selling a retest of their lows.